Water channels move the tomatoes gently while beginning the first stage of cleaning. Powerful water jets remove soil, dust, and debris collected during harvesting and transport.
Rotating brushes clean every surface before the tomatoes enter the processing line. Optical scanners inspect the tomatoes at high speed, removing damaged or unripe fruit before crushing begins. Only selected tomatoes continue forward, ready for the transformation from whole fruit to concentrated sauce. The tomatoes are crushed into a thick pulp of juice, flesh, seeds, and skins. Crushing releases the tomato's natural juice and begins separating its structure into a processable pulp. The pulp is pumped immediately into controlled heating systems to stabilize flavor and texture. Careful heating softens the pulp and prepares it for separation. Industrial separators remove skins and seeds, leaving behind a smooth tomato base. The technical heart of the factory is the vacuum evaporation system, where tomato puree becomes thick, concentrated paste. By lowering pressure, the factory can remove water at lower temperatures, protecting the tomato's color and flavor. Nothing is wasted. The smooth puree continues toward concentration, while the remaining solids can be processed separately. As water is removed, the puree becomes denser, richer, and dramatically more concentrated.
This is concentrated tomato paste, the intense base that gives ketchup its signature body. The concentrate now enters a controlled blending stage, where the final recipe is built with exact measurements. Ingredients are added in carefully measured amounts to balance sweetness, acidity, salt, and thickness. Powerful mixers create a uniform sauce, ensuring every bottle has the same texture and flavor. High-pressure processing smooths the ketchup and keeps its ingredients evenly suspended. The result is a stable, uniform sauce with the familiar smooth consistency consumers expect.
Samples are tested continuously for thickness, acidity, color, and food safety.
If the sauce moves too quickly or too slowly, the recipe can be adjusted before packaging begins. Once approved, the ketchup is stored in sterile tanks until the filling lines are ready. Rotary fillers can fill dozens of bottles at once, measuring each portion with precise control. Each bottle is filled in seconds, with the same weight and consistency across the entire line. Final inspection systems check fill level, cap placement, and package weight before boxing. Robots organize the finished bottles into cases without slowing the production line. Cases are stacked and secured into pallets, ready for large-scale distribution. The finished product moves into a warehouse built to hold millions of bottles at a time. From freshly harvested tomatoes to perfectly filled bottles, ketchup is the result of a massive system of washing, crushing,